Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name's Lisa. We're back with our first make and we're going to do a little tutorial on these bookmarks. It's a lovely pattern from Creative Fabrica. Let's go and download it. Okay, so let's go to the website. We've typed in bookmarks, so let's have a little scroll. It's not so long and I think this is the one. Some pretty little coffee mugs. They're really cute, aren't they? So if we go onto the page, we can have a look, see what's included with the download, and then we can click download. When you click download, it will go to wherever your specified downloads go, and you have to extract the file. And there we are. There's all our new bookmarks that we're going to be making. Okay, so now we've printed it off. We've printed it off double-sided, and both of the sides are the same way up. If you need help or you don't know how to print double-sided, let me know and we can do an extra tutorial on that if you'd like. So now it's all printed, let's run it through the laminator. Okay, there we go. Now it's got more strength, it's a lot bendier. You'll be able to drop it in the bath and it'll be absolutely fine now. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to get the guillotine and we're going to cut them out. Nice and simple. If you don't have a guillotine, you can always use scissors. If you don't have a laminator, you can always use, you know, the book covering that you put on top of books that, you know, when you was at school and you put that covering over the books, that works well as well. Right, so let's line that up and have a little gander. There we go. That's one side. And there we go. I'm going to make them slightly thinner just because then I've not got no design overlapping. We don't want that, do we? And luckily they're a little bit bigger than what we need them to be, so if you do need to do an extra cut on them, it's no big deal. Last one. There we go. Shift that out of the way. And there we go. Oh, get those little bits out of the way. Now what we're going to do is we're going to get the corner rounder, which I got from Amazon, and I will link that in the description. They're not expensive, but you can always just cut around the corners with scissors if you want to, or you can always just leave them like that. It doesn't really matter. I like a nice rounded corner. There we go. If like this one, the corner cutter's not gone all the way through, we can grab a pair of scissors and just follow that line round. At least that makes it slightly easier to get a nice corner rather than trying to eyeball it. So we'll do that, and we'll do that to them all. Okay, now this is a singular hole punch, again from Amazon, and I'll link it in the description. But if you've got a normal hole punch, that will work just fine as well. And we're just going to put a hole up there at the top. There we go. And finally, just to finish it off, I've got some little tassels from Amazon again, and I'll link in the description. If you just post it through, open it up, and tuck it through. And that finishes it off just nice. There we go. One finished bookmark. Super cute pattern. And we'll get the rest completed. And there we go, all done. So it's taken 10 minutes max, start to finish. And all I've used are a few tassels, a piece of card, and one piece of laminating paper. And that's it. So it's a really low material, pretty little thing to make. Like I say, if you don't have the laminator, you can always use the book covering stuff, which I can link in the description too, and that works just as well. It really does. I've got quite a few covered with that before I had the laminator. So I hope you have fun looking for this. I will link the pattern from Design Fabrica in the description as well. And I will see you soon. Bye bye.